Hello everyone. This topic fundamental and computer. This topic fundamental and computer. Definition of computer. Definition of computer. Computer is an electronic device. Computer is an electronic device that takes raw data as input from user. Raw data as input from user and process it under the control of set of instruction. Process it under the control of set of called program produced a result. Output and save it for future used. Output and save it for future used. Next topic, data processing information. Data processing information. Data definition. Data is a collection of raw fields and figures without and meaning. For example, name of students. Meaning, for example, name of student. Definition, processing. Processing is the set of instruction. Processing is the set of instruction given ID user or related data. Given ID user related data to output the meaningful information. To output the meaningful information, the processing is make include. The processing is make include calculation, comparison, or the design take in of the processing information. Definition. It is the final output. It is the final output when the output data as meaning. It is now as information. For example, it is now as information. For example, Vishal is a data. Vishal is a data. Dash Delhi is a data. Delhi is a data. Vishal lives in Delhi. Vishal lives in Delhi. Functionality of computer. Functionality of computer. Step 1. Take data as input. Take data as input. Step 2. Store data as information. Store data as information. Instruction in its memory. Instruction in its memory. And user them as required. Step 3. Processing the data and convert it into meaningful information. Step 4. Generate the output. Controls of the above steps. All of the above steps. Computer input and output and process. In cycle, input, process, output. IPO stands for input, processing, output cycle. IPO stands for input, processing, output cycle. Computer takes input processes on it and gives output any machine. That perform IPO cycle is known as computer. IPO full form: input, process, output. IPO cycle diagram. First point, input from user. Inform computer output to do. Input from user inform computer output to do. Next point, processing. Convert data into information. Next point, output. Information output show user see result. Storage. Result are stored for permanent record. Thanks everyone.